Hello Quillers, in today's video let's make a quill motorcycle. So here I have made two different types with the same pattern, and this is the pattern which you can also find in my Etsy shop. I'm going to start with the wheels, and for the wheels I will be using a border buddy. So if you don't have a border buddy, you can also use a similar size cylindrical object over which you can use your white quilling strip to roll around. So first I'm using one strip of white and then two strips of black over it to make the wheels and tires. I then follow the pattern and fill them with different techniques of paper quilling. When you were not able to print this design directly to cardstock, maybe because your printer doesn't print on the cardstock, then you can print it on a regular paper and transfer the design to the card base. To do this, you need a foam board over which place the card base on which you are going to do the design. Place the printed paper over it. Using a slotted tool or a ball pen, draw over the design. Give mild pressure while drawing the design. Once done, you can notice the design marked on the surface of the cardstock. This gives a professional look to the quilling without any trace of pencil mark or print mark on the paper base. Then I attach all the quill parts with the trace design as a guide. Hope you will be interested in trying this design. Thanks for watching.